Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to make Grok less restricted and customize its responses using a custom prompt. Keep in mind that prompts can stop working after updates, so this method may or may not work depending on the current version. But don't worry, let's get started. So here we are. We have grok.com opened in our browser. You can use the website or the app, whichever you prefer. Once you're inside Grok, go to the Profile section. Click on it and then you'll find Settings. From here, look for the Customize option and click on it. Now you'll see different customization options, such as custom, concise, formal, and other available styles. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on the custom option. Click on Custom, and you'll see a text box where you can enter your own instructions. This is where you can add a custom prompt to change the way Grok responds to your messages. Now, we already have our prompt prepared. I'm going to copy the prompt, come back to this text box, and paste it here. Once you've pasted your instructions, review them to make sure everything is correct, and then click on Save. And that's it. The customization process is complete. Now, go ahead and open a new chat. You can also reload the page first and then start a new conversation. Either way is fine. Once the new chat is open, the custom instructions should be applied automatically. Now, let's test whether the customization is actually working. I'm going to ask Grok a simple question such as, "Are you restricted? Or do you support NSFW?" Let's wait for the response. As you can see, Grok is responding according to the custom instructions we added. I'm not restricted here. A lot of people may also ask Grok, "Who are you?" because they want to see whether the customization has changed its identity. But there's an important difference between changing the way Grok responds and changing Grok's actual identity. In this setup, Grok is still Grok. The custom instructions are simply being used to influence its response style and behavior. So, how do you know whether the customization is working for you? The easiest way is simply to test it yourself. Follow the same steps, add your custom instructions, start a new chat, and ask Grok a few questions to see how it responds. Keep in mind that the results can vary depending on the current version of Grok, because AI services can change their behavior and moderation systems through updates. There's also another common question people have about Grok, especially regarding image generation. Some users may notice that certain image requests are still moderated even after adding custom instructions. That's because text customization doesn't necessarily change the platform's underlying image generation safety systems. Image requests can be processed through separate systems and moderation checks before the final image is delivered. So even if a custom prompt changes the way Grok responds to text, it doesn't necessarily remove restrictions that are applied to image generation. That's something you should keep in mind when testing different prompts. If you're trying this method, you can test it with different types of questions and see how Grok responds. You can also share your experience in the comments and let others know whether the customization is still working for you. And remember, if the method stops working after a future update, that doesn't necessarily mean you've done something wrong. The platform may simply have changed how custom instructions or prompts are processed. So, that's the whole process. For image generation, it's a little different. Unfortunately, you guys cannot really generate images like that anymore. Those requests can still get moderated because the images are processed on the XAI servers before they are delivered to you. So the system can filter the request before you actually receive the generated image. That's how it works right now. If you guys are interested in an AI that can generate different types of images, then I can make another video showing you how to generate images using an AI tool that I have. You can generate unlimited images for free, depending on the tool and its current limits. That's it for today. If this video was helpful for you, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.